Hey everybody, welcome back to the Common Sense Dad. So we are on top of my kitchen cabinets here. And there's two things we're going to tackle here today. The first thing is we are going to get rid of these old fluorescent light fixtures and we're going to put in new LED light fixtures. And the second thing is there is just like a ton of wood blocking up here that I have no idea why that's up here. It looks like it was to set the crown mold at some point, but they just left it up here. So it's been there for 40 years. So we're going to get that out. We're going to clean this up. It's super dusty up here. But while I'm up here, I figured, you know what? We need to change these light fixtures and we're going to go ahead and do that as well. All right, very good. Let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing we need to take care of is these clamps. We need to take that thing off. And you notice it's not even actually in. So actually, we may not even bother doing that. We just need to disconnect the electrical first. And so that's what we're gonna do. All right, so as you can see here, this is what looks to be about a 48-inch fixture. So we're gonna disconnect this electrical here. And once we get the electrical disconnected, I'm actually gonna clean this area before I come and put in the new light fixtures. Okay, so we got the light fixture taken out. I just put it there on the countertop. Look at just how disgusting this is up here. It's been falling, I've been stalling for weeks. The stars are pretty when the sky falls. All right, that's clean. Okay, so as you can see, light number one, which is a nice little LED strip, is in. So we've got the first two lights in. We just put that one in. We're now going to put this third one in. And I'm restripping the wires here because it's a little bit different light fixture than the other. And then this other wire here feeds that one over there. And we're going to go ahead and clean that one out and take care of that, get that one installed. And then all four of these will be on the same switch. I'm looking forward to getting this done. Okay, so here we are on top of the fourth and final light fixture. This was absolutely disgusting, and I'm sorry that I didn't get a video of how gross it was, but we just vacuumed it out. Got our two hot wires to connect. There's the lights on the other side. Got good tunes going, so I'm kicking butt and taking names today. Getting this done. Okay, so all of our new LEDs are up on this side of the kitchen, and there you see that extremely gorgeous and clean oven glass door. I'll put a link to a video I did on how to clean that up in the top right corner. But yeah, looks good, all done. So now what we have to do is the other side here. I'll go ahead and bring the camera up here so you can just see how filthy dirty these are. I mean, look at that. That is absolutely horrendous. It is so ugly, so dusty. This is all part of our spring cleaning and installing over cabinet lights video. So unbelievable. We're able to link all of these videos together, but they put this on the same circuit as the over cabinet lights. Why? I don't know. It's none of my business. We're just not going to fix it because it doesn't need to be fixed. clean. Finally. All right, let's put these lights in. Let's get them installed. Let's get this secured down. So we want that square. Okay. All right, now on to this last one. So this is the actual hot. This is the feed into this one, which then goes back into the wall, out, back to the old one back there. So let's get this done. Last one. All right, now the big reveal. Let's see if they all turn on. Oh, look at that. Very nice. All righty. let's do that again. And look at it from back here. Yeah, that's really nice. I like it. So we've got nice over cabinet lighting now, and we got above the kitchen cabinets clean. So spring cleaning accomplished, at least for the kitchen. And new over cabinet lighting accomplished. Let's take a look at what all of them look like. Lights, the over cabinet lights. That's really nice. It's very pretty, it's nice and warm. Not that like super bright white that you sometimes get with LEDs. It's nice and warm and almost incandescent-like, which is what I like and which is what I know my wife likes. So, good, that's a score. Very good. Hey, listen, thanks everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. It really helps our channel grow, and we're grateful. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. We have so much good content on this channel. Anyway, thanks for watching. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.